Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to transfer money using Santander in 2025. Whether you're sending cash to a friend, family, or paying bills, Santander's updated features make it easier and more secure than ever. If you've been putting this off because it seemed complicated, don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it step by step. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the latest Santander app installed on your smartphone or access to their website. In 2025, Santander has rolled out enhanced biometric security, so you'll need to verify your identity using facial recognition or fingerprint scanning for added protection. Once that's set up, open the app and log in with your credentials. If you're new, you'll need to create an account. It's quick and straightforward. Now, head over to the Transfers section, which is prominently featured on the homepage. You'll see options for domestic and international transfers. Select the type you need. Next, enter the recipient's details. Santander's Smart Search feature will help you find contacts from your phone's address book or previous transfers, saving you time. Don't forget to double-check the amount and any fees involved. Santander now offers real-time fee estimates to avoid surprises. Before confirming, review the transaction summary. In 2025, you can add a personalized message or set up recurring transfers if it's a regular payment. Hit Confirm and Authorize with your biometrics. That's it, your money is on its way. Transfers are often instant within the Santander network. A quick tip: always use secure Wi-Fi for these transactions to protect your data. And if you run into any issues, Santander's 24/7 chat support is top-notch. There you have it, folks, a simple way to handle your money transfers. Give it a try and let us know in the comments how it goes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more finance tips. See you next time.